Hey, boys. Aaron. What do we have here, Aaron?
This is the blood that came from my deer that I shot.
And where do you think he's hit?
Straight through the lungs.
Through the lungs? We'll take it, right? Okay, yep. Let's get our crew. What up, Cash?
Video man, I'm gonna video the video.
Hey, don't, Noah. We got Tegan here too.
I drove that car here.
All right.
Do you want me to bring it closer?
Okay, follow the blood.
Blood right there.
Dad, blood right here.
Yep, we're already past that, Noah.
Is it going down there?
Is he starting to go uphill?
If we can see the tracks.
Are you on blood still, guys?
Blood on there.
Are you still on blood? Okay, you guys can't just leave it.
Okay, there. Up.
Is he dead?
Yeah. What a shot, Aaron. What a shot.
There he is, Aaron. Oh, look at that shot.
First deer.
Yes. Woo! Aaron.
Dad, take a picture of me.
Dang.
Good. Aaron's here. It's mine
Awesome.
too. Oh my god.
Okay, here, pull him out, Aaron. Pull him right over here. Pull him over. Isaac, help put your lean your guns up against the tree.
Dripping blood.
That's
A nice.
Aaron, good job, dude. I'm so proud of you.
Can you take a picture of me too?
Oh, sure, I can.
Looks like my dad spotted a buck from over there and we walked in on it and it started running away. So we came up to a better spot and I shot it through his body and we came up and found it. And then everybody else was over by the truck and they came over too, and then we decided to take a few pictures. Yeah.
Awesome. Where'd you hit him, Aaron?
Straight through the lungs.
Straight to, look at that shot. I don't think you could have walked up and stuck him with a bullet any better than you made that shot at 95 yards. Good job. LeBron, what did you think? Wow. We have a big crew. It sounded like a herd of elephants walking through the forest, but we got it done on a beautiful little deer. And we're grateful for him. He's going to be delicious, isn't he?
Yes.
Okay, let's get him taken care of, tagged, and get out of here. Go get Isaac's deer.
Back at the
Kokanee salmon. What's up, Aaron?
What's up, Dad?
Word?
Oh, freak. Oh, now you go over there? You serious? Is he right here?
Nope. Now he's almost into the ripple. See him?
Oh, I see him.
There's a bugle. Oh. Wait. Wait.
Get ready to shoot him.
We got Isaac's buck. Second buck of the day. Did he finally give up?
Oh my gosh. Touch him.
What do you think, Isaac?
Yep.
He's fat.
He's done.
He's dead. Yeah.
Good job, dude. Here, Isaac, lift up his head. Pull his head around. Let me see.
Yeah, this is a way better buck than. It looks bigger from the road. It looks a
They
lot
always
bigger.
look bigger from the road.
Does he not have an eye guard on that side? Dang.
Still has the Anthony Davis background, so.
Anthony Davis.
Well, I don't know. He might have to.
Good job, Isaac. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Woo!